Yes.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, so I just explain few things. Okay, so first we'll start Figma. Okay, if someone give me Figma, so how we will check? Okay, so can you anyone tell me what is Figma? Hello guys.
So
Yeah, so can you anyone can you tell me what is Figma?
this Figma means
It is
Figma.
the structure of, okay,
One by
you can
one, one
continue.
by one.
It is structure. It is a structure of Figma which we can build from scratch to a website building from step by step process. How we can access the layouts, panels, and admin panels. Those are which can differentiate each and everything. We can clear it out from Figma.
Okay. Akash.
So, Figma is a design. How the website it will be show the end of the projects. So it will be the basic scratch thing to design on the client side.
Okay.
How it's client how it's want. The type first we will create the Figma. Then
Mm-hmm.
it will be okay for the client. Then create like websites.
Okay. Now, Tanushri, you can tell me.
So Figma is a design tool.
Mm-hmm.
Here it includes UI and UX, and it is a prototype of the web pages.
Okay. 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 Great. What about Rakshita? You can also share your experience.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, Figma is a design tool. So where we will use to create websites, some like website designs and some other design. So which will helpful for to understand how is the structure of the website and all.
Okay. My screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes, bro.
Okay. Okay. So what happened? Everyone explained very good. Okay. So listen, guys. Today Taufik is not join the class. Okay. So you guys just tell him, okay. Today we are taking Figma classes. So if any doubts he is facing, I will ask separately. And like suppose if you guys understood, I can explain to him. So you guys just explain him. Okay. So okay, Figma basically suppose our website is this one is our website. Okay. So what happened? First of all, we are developer, we know this is the website, this is a 50-50% width of like taking two sections, Gelata India and Boss Lady. Okay, but clients is like they don't have not that much knowledge. Okay, they don't have like a user interface knowledge. Okay, so first he just tell to like a designer, actually I need this type of like layout. So after that what happened, designer design that type of layout. After that client check, it is like a okay or not okay. It means it needs to modification or like it's need to reject. So what again they suggest after that approval, so it will come to our side, front end side. So what happened in previous, you guys are like recently you don't have that much knowledge, only means 1 year 2 year experience. So in like a 5 year ago, it was like coming like it was PSD means PSD means Photoshop. Every design worked on like a Photoshop. So after that uh, Figma launched. So now we are working like a graph designer work on Figma. It's a tool where we design like a blueprint of our websites, front end, not back end. Okay, so we can say blueprint of our websites where we means designer design. So like after design, it look like this one. Suppose let me open developer. If anyone doubts, you just ask to me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So okay. So I have Figma, which is designed by UI designer. Okay. So here is this is Figma is a tool where like a designer, UI designer, create a blueprint of like our website. So here is like our websites. It's like you can say it's a graphical form. Sorry, it's a pictorial form. So okay. So first of all, if someone have give it to you a Figma, then how to implement? So implement is last thing. First, how you will check everything is perfect. Okay, because what happened? Suppose I have like a page, and suppose this button should be like here, then it is correct. No, it's not correct actually. So actually we check each and everything from front end, because if UI designer do mistake in Figma, then we always face the challenges, we always face the issues. Okay, and testing team always create or raise the ticket because they want to follow symmetricity. Okay, suppose you have like a simple go to the login form, and if you like there is email button. Okay, so when you enter the email, so what happened? Obviously it will validate only email na, it won't validate the phone number. Suppose if you click the like a email button and it will message is coming, your phone number is wrong or like that, so it's not like a correct way. So from our side we check every sequence is proper or not. Okay, so first we'll check what is the like overall width. So basically there is for different layer we are working for as a for responsive, basically desktop, tab and mobile. Is three devices we are working. So basically our graphic designer, they provide only two design. Listen very carefully. Okay. Okay. So our graphic designer, they are providing two layout only. Okay. First for desktop version, second for mobile version. They won't provide tab version. Okay. So they won't provide tab version, so we consider same like tab version should be as a desktop version.